In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Salesforce. This tutorial is designed to walk you through the process in a straightforward and easy to understand manner. So whether you're a seasoned pro or new to these platforms, you'll find this step-by-step guide helpful. Let's start by signing in to your Zapier account. Once you're logged in, look for the option to create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow between two applications, and this is where the magic begins. Click on Create Zap to get started. Next, we need to set up the trigger. The trigger is what initiates the Zap, so for this Zap, we'll be using Salesforce as our trigger app. Go ahead and search for Salesforce in the app list. Once you find Salesforce, select it. Afterward, you'll see a prompt to select a trigger event. This could be a variety of actions, such as when a new record is added or an existing record is updated. Choose the event that best fits your needs. Once you've selected your trigger event, it's time to connect your Salesforce account to Zapier. This involves a simple authentication process. You'll need to enter your Salesforce credentials and also provide a security token. The security token is an extra layer of protection and is crucial for ensuring your data's safety as Zapier bridges the two services. Moving on, you will specify the object you wish to use. This could be any data type you're working with in Salesforce, like contacts, leads, or opportunities. Depending on your requirements, you might set some filter conditions to narrow down which specific data triggers the Zap. Now for the second part of the Zap, we will add an action app. Think about where you want the data from Salesforce to go. Common options include Gmail, Slack, or Google Sheets. After you have chosen your action app, it's time to configure the action fields. This is where you map the data fields from Salesforce to the action app. For instance, if you are sending a notification to Slack, you'll decide which Salesforce fields populate the message in Slack. Finally, it's time to test your Zap. Testing is a crucial step because it allows you to see if everything is working as expected before you go live with your automation. Zapier will execute the workflow using the data from your Salesforce account to simulate the process and check that everything is running smoothly. If the test is successful and you're happy with the way things are set up, go ahead and turn your Zap on. And that's it. Now your Zap is up and running, and you can enjoy the benefits of automation between Salesforce and your chosen action app. If you followed all these steps, you've created an efficient workflow that saves you time and effort. Thanks for watching, and happy automating with Zapier and Salesforce.